Alright, hello everybody. Are you able to even hear me? Hold on a second. Alright, hello everybody. Alright, yeah. So, in this stream I'll probably rescript SCP Outbreak. Well, not totally, but some parts of it, and maybe do some changes and stuff. I don't know. Alright, so let me first announce this live, then put some music and so on, so on. Right, so I guess, yeah, I think my computer is frying itself up right now. I have too many applications open. Literally, my graphics card is used 100% and my memory like 80%. And I have like 8 gigabytes of RAM, and that's a lot. Alright, so the live here. Let me select it. Where's goddamn channel? Right, so pause at everyone. Send. Alright. So, hello to everyone who is here. I'll have my chat always open so I can mostly see when you type. If you see like let me do something like that. So if you see something like over here, I think you can see my mouse. So basically underneath the screen thing, yeah, right there. Alright, so if you see those games and stuff, I can't do anything. It's literally the recording software being totally shit, because I can't record like the whole Roblox studio. I have to record first of all the I guess you could call it in-game, so the in-game footage, and then the other parts of studio. It's just annoying. Right, so let me just get some music for a second and I'll start doing stuff. Hi Theo. What? Right, this. Right. Is this too loud? I don't think so. Let me just test out. Right, so stop the music and is this too loud? I don't think. No, it isn't. Alright. So, yeah. Let me put the music on and start doing stuff. So, what I want to redo for Sigma 1 is the item system, the saving your progress system. Basically, I want to kinda redo that and have it so you get all the items you had before in your inventory. This shouldn't be too hard. Then, what else? I think I wanna redo the warhead system. Well, not totally redo, but do the script a little bit different, because right now it's kind of strange. You'll see in a bit when I'll actually do that. Yeah. All right. So, let me first of all, with what should I start? I'll start with how's it called, the item system. So currently, when you pick up an item, it respawns after like, depends actually. I think it's 2 minutes for most of the items. Let me check. So open the workspace. Jesus Christ, my game is like, my PC is lagging. Right, so let's say the level free card, I think it is. Oh yeah, also this goddamn abomination of the light containment zone decontamination thing. Yeah, I wanna read that too. Because currently, if you just stay in one place while the decontamination happens, you don't die, you just exist. Right, how did I select this? Did I make them? Why am I so stupid? Anyways, so currently the click script, alright, so this is what it gives in your inventory, then disappear. Yeah, so right now it's after 1 minute the item respawns. I want to change that, so if you take that item, it's gone, like forever in that run, until you die. When you die, all of the how's it called, items, yeah, all of the items will respawn back. At least that's the concept I want to go for. I think I'll do that. Yeah, that should be fairly easy. Alright, so how I want to do this, let me just close those, is first of all going in replicated storage and creating a new folder. So what I want to do is having replicated storage, which can be accessed by the client and the server. It's just more useful. I'll want to have a value for every item you can get in the game. And if you get that item, it will say that the value is true. So let me just exemplify that. Let me name this values. We'll use bool values because, well, those can be put on false or true. So basically, after, let's say this is the Clarence 1 card. After you get a card, it will put this value on true. Now, the game knows that you have that item. And now what's it gonna do with that? Well, first of all, in the script which I'll make for disappearing, I'll make these item things just destroy themselves, delete themselves, and have a copy in replicated storage, which when the game restarts, it will check if, first of all, the value is true. If it is true, the item won't spawn back, but you will get it in the inventory. If it's false, it will make a copy of it from the replicated storage, and it will go back to the workspace. I think that makes sense. Yeah, it does. So that's the concept I want to go for. And I think this should be fairly easy to script, like, yeah. Right, so first of all, let me make all the values I need. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Is the music too loud? I feel like it's too loud. Let me test. Too loud. I feel like it's too loud. Let me test. Ah, no, it isn't. I can probably just lower it a little bit, just a little bit. So Chrome, a little bit, right? So back to studio. So these are the keycards you can get. So Clarence 1, Clarence 2, Clarence, Jesus Christ. Alright. So now I must remember how many items I have in the game, because I literally can't remember anything from Outbreak. Haven't been on the game for like months at this point. So I know I have also the Chaos card, so CI. I have the flashlight, flash. What else do I have? I have SCP-500. I'll make it, yeah, SP 500. What else? Cola. We have Coca-Cola. Don't ask. Then we have like a few medkits. What do? Should I make it so you can have multiple medkits, which, if you die, you will get them back, all of them? Is that a good idea? Or should I make it just when you die, you get just one medkit if you had more? Nah, I think that's a bad idea because, like, you should get all the items back. At least that's how I see it logical. Yeah, I'll do that. Might as well. Okay, how many medkits do I have? That's my question right now. Christ. Right, how is the medkit called? Because I can't remember. It's somewhere over here, one of them. I think you should be inventory should be saved so long as game saved. Alright. Alright, so it's a first aid kit. Now, I have a question for myself. What the fuck was I thinking? Why do I have like 7? Actually, no, there are just 1, 2, 5. 5 medkits. This stuff. And I'm questioning me from like 6 months ago or something like that. Why did I make this? Alright, I'll have to redo that too. But besides that, yeah, so 5 medkits. They are called first aids, but I'll just call them medkits. So medkit 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and let me rename them. Jesus Christ! Isn't there a method to rename this stuff like without double clicking it? Alright, so are there any other items? So I have all the key cards. This does nothing. I have a flashlight. What's this brick? I remember it being important. Oh, it is important, alright. For some reasons. I just remember it's important. I'll not delete it. Why do I have an invisible wall? Oh, why? I swear, if this... No, this must be made by Leo. Where is this? It's a wall in the middle of nowhere. Yeah, I'm suspecting Leo for this. Alright, so I think that those are all the items we have to script. Nothing here. Fire 012 does nothing item wise. Nothing at 9, not 966. What's your number? 280, yeah. Here I put the cola. So you have this stuff. I think that's all. I guess it is. Alright, so let me think. What do I want to do? First of all, Jesus Christ, YouTube Premium ads. Right, so first of all, let me make the items. So, you normally have this stuff. Yeah, I don't like that. Let me get all the tools. Wait, there are multiple level 4 keycard spawns or what? I'm confused. Why are there like multiple of these? Like, that's level 5, level 4. Oh. Oh yeah, now I remember. So one of the... Excuse me? Alright, so one of the keycards, where you see like 2 keycards in one place, are these keycards, which are spawnable back. Like the for the when you die, you respawn and you'll have these items. This was the system a while back. Well, a while back till now. Alright, so I'll just delete these. So this level 4 delete. Which level 3 do I want to delete? That one's good. Delete that, and that's all the keycards. So let me get all of these tools into workspace. Jesus Christ. As I said, no, please, Roblox Studio, I'm begging you. Right. So they should be in order. Never mind, they aren't in order. So I'll just rename them C5, C4, and so on. Okay, so that's clearance 4. This is clearance 3. That's clearance 2. And this should be 1. Yep. Hold on. Quick question for the chat. And probably just pros, because... Pros. Should I make it so some of the keycards, like the clearance 1 and clearance 2 ones, have random spawns? Should I do that? So, should I make like the clearance 1 keycard and maybe the clearance 2 keycard have random spawns? So like, they would spawn randomly on the map. Alright, I think those two will have random spawns because... Yeah, I think I'll do that. And one additional thing I'll make, so... For some of the doors in the map, you'll have to use a clearance 1 keycard. So you can check more spawns and stuff. Though I still don't... I'm not sure if I know how to make a script for randomizing, but yeah, I have Roblox wiki thing, so whatever. Alright, so items, yeah, let me get all of these items here. And let's, actually first of all, let me check. Can this be dropped? They can. Okay, no more. Next, in the keycards, I think, yeah, so these are the usable keycards. I don't want them to be able to be picked up again because you can't drop them anymore. So the system till now was like, you can drop the keycard and you can just click on it to get it back. This ain't happening because I'll never have actually, how's it called, SCP-914 upgrade your keycards or something like that. I ain't doing that. I'll just have it upgrade your health if you put it on fine with like 10 HP or something. Can't remember the script. And that's all. Jesus Christ. Right. So that's all the cards. And do I have these scripts for... Jesus Christ, I do. Maybe. Though, what about them? So how should I make them less annoying? That's the thing. Should I make their walk speed slower and... Right, so maybe the walk speed slower and maybe the detection range. Though I don't think the detection range would help too much. So let me get one of these. Right now their walk speed is... Where is that? Oh my god. Right. Right now their walk speed is 16. I think that's the player's walk speed if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, I'll change that so this is something more humanly possible to avoid, considering the fact that all the corridors are so small. So I'll make it something like 10. I think that will make the change. Also, I'm keeping the health to 100. I don't think I'll add guns. If they were slower, it will make avoiding them easier, considering you could be able to run there. Yeah, mostly, yeah. The range for them, I think it's good because it's already pretty small. So I think the range, if I can remember, is something like from here to the... So what about max slope? What did that thing do again? I can't remember. Oh, well, you know, I usually walk on walls. I don't see how it's humanly impossible. I don't see the problem. It's pretty normal. Alright. You saw nothing, alright? Alright? It's 89, alright? You're just imagining it's 50. Alright, so, anyways. Also, I should nerf 035. Actually, should I nerf 035? The mask? Like, he has a walk speed of 16. Wait, he's broken. Oh, really? Oh, let me check that. So, let me disable all the UIs. Start the UI. Jesus Christ, what's this mess? Holy shit. Not let him grab the card and run. So where is anything? Main menu. Disable. That's enough. In theory, I should spawn here if I do a play here. Theory. Can't remember anything from what I scripted a while back. Right. Ah, yes, my robot studio is not responding. Not even surprised. of that worked, yeah, 00 after reset, yeah, all that stuff. Yep, he sure is broken. What even happened to him? Is he anchored? Hold up. 035. So that's him. Jesus Christ. Please. Oh, alright, much better. Yeah, the thing is, arms are moving. I think I anchored his humanoid root part. No. Alright. The torso? No. Anything? No. Hold up, what? That shouldn't be a problem, though. So, this stuff shouldn't be a problem. In theory. Are there any... Well, yeah, stuff. So, let me check. From 035, all the errors. Yeah, he doesn't have a sword. Yeah, I know. Yeah. Oh, actually, yeah, true. Though, where is that mask and stuff? Is it in his... No. Oh. So... Is this anchored? It is. So, this was anchored, though... It sure works now! Kinda. What? Yeah, we kinda fixed it. He's not attacking. I just heard my PC fan go off. Alright, that's not good. Also... Right, yeah. Right. So, what the hell is going on? Alright. Jesus Christ. All the Robot Meets AI is so fucking goddamn broken. Why'd they decide to use the old AIs from Robot Meets? Jesus Christ. I know they are like free models, I think, but I was expecting them to be that bad. Alright, so, don't need that. Let me... have a mask, that's it. Handle. Not anchored. Right, so let me give in his torso a script. And let me do a script.parent.touched. Oh yeah, right. Can go, yeah. Adios. Alright, so... I'll stop by again another time maybe. Very likely. Alright. If I get notified. Alright. So, if part. Alright, so what I want to do here is a script which, if the torso of the SCP touches, if it touches anything, it will check if that thing is a player. So basically, let me show you what I want to do. So if part, so in the script, this is what detects if the player, well, not the player, but the torso touched a part, anything in the workspace. Then it connects with the function, and the function goes ahead and takes, so this is the part. You can name it whatever you want, but this is the part. This is what this is the item, not the item, the object that got touched by the torso. And now I want to check if the torso is a player. The torso, the thing that it touched is a player. So this is the part, and then I do a dot parent, so the parent of the part, and I think this should work. So that parent, that humanoid. I misspelled humanoid. So this should, what this should do is, if the part, so let's say it touched another 035, and it touched its left leg. If it touched this leg, then it will check if that leg in its parent has a humanoid. And this script, if it does a humanoid, if it does have a humanoid, will damage the humanoid. So health, I think that's how you spell health, right? Hold on a second. I have to check it. Discord a bit. Right, so basically, this stream stop. No, right. So then you have the health. So let me check. Humanoid health. Yeah. So it will have this health equals with. Actually, wasn't it a thing like minus equals with 10? Let me check. So Roblox Studio minus equals. So the operators, yeah. Yeah, the subtracts, yeah. I don't care about that. Hold on. Engine features. Hello. Hello there. Alright. Yeah, so this should work. So basically what this does is every time it touches the player, in this case, it will damage the player and decrease every time it touches with 10 points the HP of the player. I think this is a bit overpowered, but that's what it should do. I'll not put anything else. I don't want to spam the the output with the SCP spamming that it touches a break. Alright, let me test if this works. So close that. Let me change the name of the script. So it is damage script. So, play here. In theory, I think I should be killed by it while the loading happens, which isn't too good. So I'll have to run a bit, I guess. Now that I think about it, I think I should also nerf its walk speed, because it having the same walk speed with the player might be problematic. Alright, I'll have to fix that, but... Man, are you alive? Alright, the script works. Now, one thing I want to do is use find first child on the script. So right now it just checks if it exists, and if it doesn't exist it will spam with this error. Human aid is not part of workspace or whatever it is that it touches. So basically I'll change that so it doesn't break every time. Well, not break, but commit a lot of errors. So find first child and humanoid. Right, so that should be the script for the SCPs. I'll probably add that to the other SCPs too, like the zombies. Also, let me nerf his walk speed to 10. Right. So that's all the SP stuff done, kinda. Now let me go back to the keycards. So let's take, first of all, let's go to the clearance 1 keycard, which is down here. And let me rescript this. So I don't need the script, and in this clip, this stuff, that's messy, I don't like the script. Alright, so, let me check one thing. So the current script, alright. Kinda don't like it. Script dot. So let me first of all, script dot parent dot mouse button. Oh yeah. Dot click detector. No, not click script. Click detector. I'm looking for it. Also, let me remove that space because it's annoying. Alright. So if this click detector checks that a click has happened on, so if someone touched this break, it will do connect function in the parentheses, if that's how you say it, will say player. So this will check this is who touched the part with the mouse click, and in this case it's the player. Pretty fairly simple. So next we'll have to game dot replicated storage dot items. I think that's how I call it, right? let me close up the UI. What's tools? What I have here this thing to? Anyways, alright, bye. Yeah, so what we will do here is local clone, we'll name it just clone. This in this script we will literally clone this keycard from the replicated storage and put it in the player's inventory. So we have clone, then we'll set the clone parent to be the player's backpack, and that's actually all to it. Couldn't be as simple as that. And then we'll just do a script.parent. For who doesn't know, the script literally indicates that you're talking about this script, and then you can put parent to set the to tell the script that you want to do something with the part that's that it is located in. So let's say in this case, if we do script.parent, it will mention this clearance 1 thing. We'll do destroy. Basically, we'll just destroy this keycard from the workspace. As simple as that. Now we can just copy that. Well, I have a face reveal and voice reveal constant. I don't think you realize that. Right, so let me just delete all of these scripts. Besides that. Also, yeah, voice reveal. 11. Also, I just forgot. I want to do something like right, so like that, and from the items let me put the name. Right, so that should be, yeah, that should work. Now let me just duplicate this in every single keycard and change the name of the keycard to the correspondent one. So that's 5 and then 4 and so on. Alright, I also have to do this for the chaos keycard, which I don't actually know where it's located. Like in the workspace. Let me check if it's an item or a tool. I don't think this is a tool because I haven't seen it. So yeah, it's something. Alright, I want to ungroup this and change this name to CI. Then remove these scripts, which are the old ones, duplicate this and put the new script in. I'll just change it to the name of the new keycard, which is this stuff. Alright, so that's the chaos keycard too. Alright, let me just do this for every single tool, yeah. But before we do that, let me actually select all of these, copy them, and put them in okay, storage. Let me create a new folder. This will be the copy. Welcome back, SCP. So this will be the copy. How should I name it? Copy tools. Actually, yeah, tools. So in here we'll have all the tools which will be after they get destroyed, and after you die, if you had that item, nothing will happen. If you don't have that item, it will duplicate this stuff. So let's say the CI card back here. It should be fairly simple to skip. Yeah. What's this song? What am I listening to? What? Alright. Really interesting. Let me get something else to listen to. So, what should I put? Should we put loud mission Payday 2 music? How cursed would that be? You know what, I'm actually doing that. Should I or should I not? Yeah, just for the memes. I'll put Don't Tag Down because why not, and then I'll change it to something else when I get in mind something to listen to. Alright. Let's now do the medkits. So, first aid, done the scripts. Let me rename them to medkit 1. Copy that. And let me delete the imposter, which is the copy of the medkits for when you die. So, this boy. Where's this? Alright. So, medkit 2. Also, should I make streams with Payday 2? Like, doing stealth missions and stuff? I think that could be fun. Oh, actually, I have to do this too. Alright. Come on. Alright, so. Jesus Christ. Let me delete all the non-important stuff from the old script. So that's all done. Then I swear I recognize that voice. Which Payday character is that? So let me actually change the value stuff because there are actually just 3 medkits, surprisingly enough, right? And then C1 is in here. So let me get the script from it, and then find the medkits. Oh, they're over here. All right. So how are the medkits called? First aids? I think so. Yeah, first aids. All right. So those are the medkits done. Copy them and put them in the copies of the tools. And now we have all the medkits done. We have one last item to do, the flashlight. So delete this boy. Why do I have a Feltix, by the way? Oh, I just remembered. The Death Class D is Feltix. Interesting. Right, so let me delete this flashlight too, and let me edit the flashlight from the security thing. I'll also update these lockers, which look so bad. literally with some of my new props I have. So flashlight, yeah, don't care about this. Don't care about this. Don't care about anything really. And rename it to flash. Right. So we have this. We have this. We don't have the script. Copy that. Right. And change the name of the from the keycard to the flashlight. That's how you that's how you spell flashlight, right? Yeah, flashlight. Right. Oh yeah, and one more thing. Oh Jesus Christ! Now I have to find the flashlight again. God damn it. So, from here, flashlight, yeah, still you, copy, and go to the copy tools, paste it there, right? And the last item I have to do this for is SP207, or the cola. It's somewhere around here. Yep, here. So this goddamn abomination. Don't need all of these. Don't need these. Jesus Christ, that's a lot of deleting. Why are there like 5,000 welds? Wait, by the way. Nothing wrong can happen by deleting them. Famous last words. Okay, and name it cola. Put it in workspace. And I need the script. Let me. Yeah, that's what move. Do that. Click script and rename it to SCP-207. Right. Copy that. And copy and put it in copy tools. So that's all the tools done on the getting the tools, actual tool part. Next, what do I want to do? The death system. So when the player dies, all this special stuff will happen. So let me go in Starter UI. I have somewhere here. Yeah, 008 reset. This abomination, I'll just use this, nothing more from it. Let me create a folder for endings. So I'll put in here all the endings. Is there anything else? Do I have it? Oh, Konami, right? Then I'll put item resets. Or hold on, I'm getting some pings. Alright, hold on a second. Leo wants me to join VC. Hello there.
Hi.
Right, let me get some new music. What should I put? That's 100% copyrighted.
Yes.
Yeah.
Please look in your DMs, please.
Alright. I'm 100% disappointed. Alright. Interesting. So let me get ASMZ, behold music, playlist, and which one should you go for? 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 3. Alright, that one. Oh Christ, eToro ads! No, 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 no. Alright. Anyways, back to what I was doing. So, what did I actually want to do? Oh yeah. So item resets, create a new local script. I'm back again, but with a sandwich. Alright. So, local script. I'll rename it with item give. God damn it. Right. Actually, I forgot about one little part of the scripts I had to do. Oh Christ. Oh. Alright. So I forgot about, let's say, in Cola. Before I destroyed the thing, I had to do a game that replicated storage that values, alright, that Cola, that value calls true. Oh Christ, I gotta do this for all of the items. It's gonna take so much time. Alright. So copy that and let me put this in all of the items. Why do I need to be dumb? Right, so make this C1. This is C2. Close, close, close. Let me just open every single one because that's just much faster. Close everything up and start pasting. So this should be medkit. This is medkit again. Which medkit though? Oh Christ. Ah, alright, they are in order. So in theory, this should be, yep. And then medkit 1. Wow. 5 point. Okay, this is the flashlight, so this should be the flash. This should be CI. This is C4. C5, then C4, and finally C3. Alright, so those are the copy items. Then actually smart, I think. Might be. I'm not. Oh, I am. So if I delete all of these, what are the other stuff? Medkits. So those are the medkits gone. Flashlight I just deleted, right? Yep. And cola. Delete that too. Do I have anything else to put? I don't think so. Right. Yeah, that's all. If I'm not mistaken. Yep. Right, so now I copy all of these and put them in workspace. That is much faster. And let me check that they are in the right positions of the map. Yeah, no. What is going on? Alright. Come on. Come on. No. No. Alright. Alright, no, I just give up. These are the old ones, right? Yep. I'll just do this for every single card and stuff. So, let me redo this again. Right. Clearance 1, then clearance 2. Yeah, chat's still alive, kinda. There's like one person talking, but still alive. So, this is the clearance 2 keycard. Then the clearance 3 one. And this is the chaos card apparently. The clearance 5. The level 4 one. And level 3 2. Level 3 one. Right, now the flashlight and the cola, and that should be all. Cola. Wrong one. Flash. And cola. And that's cola. Alright. And that's all. Right. God damn it! Matt gets to. Also, if you're wondering why I haven't done SP5 500, because it's because I want to do actually something different for it. Alright, so medkit free, medkit 2, and medkit 1. Alright, now it's finally done, and let me do the script. So again, I want something else to listen to, but I don't know what. Hold on a second. Maybe this? Is this copyrighted? I think it is. It is. Christ. Can't find any music which isn't copyrighted and I actually like to listen to. Right. Finally.
Northern and Waterloo and City lines and national rail services. This train terminates at
Alright, I'm getting more pings. Alright. What do you mean by everything is so cold? Right, so I didn't give. Right, so in this script we'll have... Well, first of all, so in this part of the script we check if the player died, and then what we will do is have a space, put like give items. Actually no. What am I doing? Alright. Let me just think for a second. Right, so when player dies, so check if values. So if game dot replicated storage dot values dot, now we'll have for every single value equals, if it is true, then, and we'll do this for every single one, else something. Now if it is true, it means we have the item, and I'll use server events, remote events, how are they called? So let's say this, which I actually don't need. We'll have C1. That's a big C. I'm confused. Right, C1 give, and C1 cloud. Now let me do like 1 million locals. So local event. Do I want to call them events? Yeah. Event give 1 equals game.replicated storage replicated. Oh, Jesus Christ. Right, so replicate storage clearance 1 give, and I'll do this for every single one. So 2, 3, 4, 5, and let me rename every single one. So this will give the player the item. So copy this. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4, and 5. And also change this. So if it is true, then what we will do is have this event, which we just stated here. We told the server, the script, what is this event give, and we'll do the event give far server. So it will far this event to the server. It will give. It's kind of like saying to the server, hey, this dude just did something. Now I want you, the server, to do something as well. And that's because we are using a local script for detecting if the player dies. And for giving the players the items, and also duplicating some of the item spawns into the workspace, I need to use a server script, and that's where the events come in. So we have all of these. Then let me get them. So duplicate this, get the CI card. So this is the CI card. Then the flashlight. Then the cola. Then the medkits. So medkit 1, 2, and 3. Change their names. Oh Christ, what happened? Right. Where is it? Here. Alright. So let me just add all of these to the locals. So 6, 7, 8, and 9, and one more, and 10. So and more pings. Area 02. Alright, so let me just name these give events, and now we'll have clone events. So in this now we'll just name all the clone events, but I think I should do that, because yeah, I should do that. Yeah, that could be a good idea. Alright. So I'll create all of these. Alright. Now time to change all of the names. So how are you guys doing, the chat? Clone. Give. Also, I have to delete this. Make this clone. Make this clone. Yeah, this is literally so boring. I just want to finish this and continue with explaining the scripts. Putting up on caffeine and for a night of Unity. Interesting. I think I'll try sleeping, probably. That's my decision in life for the day. Then the flash give, make it a clone. Wasn't it a clone? Right. Then the medkit. Oh, just gonna say I'll have to do this for the roll calls soon. This is very repetitive, but I think it should work fairly nice. Should. That's what I always say and never goes well. I think I already know this. And I think I just saw flow. Where is Medkit Clone 1? Also, this is a flow system. I haven't actually named them. So, Flash Clone. Actually, no. First of all, CI give. Then Cola give. The Flash give. Apparently, there are 11 things, alright. Then the Medkit 1. Medkit 1 give. Yeah, there are no Medkit 1 gives. Now I'm actually wondering, are there 2 Medkit 1 clones, or I just was idiotic and didn't add? Yeah, there are 2 Medkit 1 clones. Alright, that's fixed. And then let me just copy this and paste it 2 times. So that's 2, that's 3, that's 10, and that's 11. Alright, that's all done. Then the clone events, which is just that, but give, replace any give with clone. Yeah. Alright. Just do this a lot of times. Right. So that's all done. And I'll just have if false. I'll have it duplicate and have event clone 1. As simple as that. And now I have to do this for every single keycard and item in game. So I'll do this. I think that's enough. So C2, make this a 2, make this a 2, then 3, 3, 3, 4, 4, and 4. And 5, 5, 5, and so on. Actually no, this should be 6 and 6, right? And then I have, so the order is Cola, Flash, Medkits. So Cola, and have 7 and 7. Flash, with 8 and 8, and medkits. Medkit 1 with 9 and 9. I think that's how. Jesus Christ. Alright. So that's medkit 2 and medkit 3. Make this a 10. A 10 and 11. I just said 11. My grammar is so bad. Right. So that's all the firing server events and stuff. That clearly didn't take like 15 minutes. So, right. Now, what do I... Ouch. What do I do? Alright. In the server script service, which I love how there's just one script in it, and if you look in the Sigma 1 lobby, we'll have like 77 scripts. I'll add a script with items give S, so the server, and I'll rename this to items give L from local. It's just much easier to orientate, I guess. So in this script we'll have the player receive its items in its inventory. So for this I'll have to take from this script all of this abomination, and then I'll put event give 1 dot on server event. So that's how you tell the script that to actually read when the server event activates. Connect it to a function, and we'll have in parentheses the player which sent that event, which is our player. And now we'll have what we'll have. Oh, we'll clone it. So local clone 1 equals game dot replicate storage dot no, not capitals, items dot clearance. Oh yeah, stinky names, just remember that thing. So we'll have it, so this is the clone, and the clone's parent will be the player's backpack. I just remember that Leo existed here. So we'll have it copy that a few times. No, just a few times. And search up for 1 and make it 2. Right. Where am I? Alright, here. 2, 2, 2, 2. Then 3 for all of these. 4 for all of these. Then 5 for this. Then I'll do manually every single bit. So make this 6. Can I disable lighting like shadows on compatibility? So I have even more, yeah, even more frame rate. Alright, so this should be the cola. So the kiosk card. So copy that, paste it. Next we'll have SCP-207. So SCP-207, the cola, with number 7. Did the music stop? No. Next we'll have the flashlight. Yeah. So here's the flashlight with number 8 on our list. Then all the medkits. So first aid and make it 9. No, okay. So for all of this, it will be just one first aid kit. And yes, I know this isn't necessary, but I just do it. Like, I could just have just the clone 9 for every single one of them, but I'm just too lazy. Well, not lazy, but I'll just do this. Right. So that should be all done for giving the player his items in his inventory. Let me test if this actually works. So we'll go into the spawn and we'll play here. Yeah. Alright. So waiting for this thing to load up. Alright. Not good. Not good. Alright. What happened there? I'm confused. So, the player has been added. Yeah, so that far is when the player is added. But it shouldn't be a problem. So, not in endings, item set. Yeah, so if this is true, it will fire the event. Else, it will fire the clone event. What happens if I... What's going on? There are some issues. Alright, not good. For some reasons, there are no items in the items folder. Why? Is my question. Why did this happen? I'm confused. What's going on? So, I'm extremely confused. Hold on, so I think the event, so what's going on? So let me just do some prints. So print give fired and print clone fired. So this way I know which of these events fire. Then we'll go in this script and we'll have, oh, I didn't put clone at the end of it. That makes a lot of sense now. I was wondering why I didn't have the first aid kits and stuff. Alright, so that's fixed. Now my problem is, why does it fire this event? So the value, replicate storage values, is by default. No, I mistakenly may have, just may, I may have put all the values on true. Alright. Right. So in theory now, when I join the game, there should be 2 in 1 of these cars here. In theory. If that's correctly, I can go ahead and delete all the keycards and stuff in game and let the script add them when the player joins. And that should work pretty fine. Alright, so please work. First one. Clone farm, yeah. Alright, so the clone farm, they actually work. I just remember that we don't actually have a... What is? We don't actually have a clone thing. Alright, so that's all working. Nice. I can go ahead and... Actually, I'll not delete all the cola and stuff in game. I'll just put them in a folder in server storage. Folder... Item storage. Alright, bye. SCP. So, let me get all the keycards. So that's all the keycards. Then the flashlight, the medkit, then what else? The cola, and I think that's all. So let me go down to that folder we just made in server storage and hold all the items there for now. Oh, come on. Really? Alright, let me move them back again. This is painfully slow. Right. what else do we have? So we have all of these. Then flashlight medkits. Okay. So flashlight. This one. Again, scroll like 5 minutes. Also, we will be probably ending this stream somewhere soon. Sometime soon. Also, I'll have to anchor all of these because apparently they aren't anchored. And now, to your last thing, medkits. Alright, so I'll probably finish the cloning of items. And I think that is all I'm going to do in this life, maybe. I'll see you in a bit. Because that's mostly what I actually wanted to do from the first place. So anchor all of these. Right, so now let me do a script. So item clone s. Right. And from starter UI, I'll just clone the events, locals, thing, stuff. Yes. And then I'll search for the word give and replace it with clone. Alright. Then what else? Oh, I know what else. I'll replace player backpack with work space. Jesus Christ. So workspace. Alright. Can I not get Jesus damn Christ ads? Thank you. I'll just put Payday 2 music. I remember that haven't looked on the music stuff and probably that was copyrighted, but I don't care. Probably just mute it or something, I don't know. And then we'll do. Actually, the stream will be probably private. Actually, no, no. So Razor Mind. I'll just link every single song and stuff. You can find this stream in the description already, so that's no problem. Why is this a problem? Did that? Oh Christ! I said workspace with capital W. Work space. Right. Now I have to duplicate all this stuff from, where is it? Capitals. Some items will be replaced with copy tools point. Alright, there's Leo. Adios. And now we'll change these values, yeah. So this will be C1, then C2, then C3, and so on for all the items. C5, chaos. So can I get a... Yeah, there it is. Alright. Then cola, Coca-Cola, espuma, espumante. Okay, flash. Then medkit 1, medkit 2, medkit 3. And make that a capital M. And that's all the items. So, in theory, after all this time, the item system reward should be done. In theory. I am not sure if it actually works. It should. Hopefully. Right. Please work. Alright. This is a good start. Yes. And now, if I die, I should, in theory, yes, I get the items. Finally! It only took 10 years. Jesus Christ. Alright. The item rework is done. Ladies and gentlemen, we've done it. Now, what else do we have? Actually, one small question. Isn't this Dragon Milan? No. I have renamed him. Please tell me I have somewhere his name. No, I don't have him. That must be Dragon Milan. It's his hair. Alright. So that's the item resetting done. Is there anything else that I should do? Yes, there are a lot of stuff I should do. First of all, respawning the player where he actually must respawn. That's one thing I have to do. Next. Well, let me get some smut cap OST because why not? Right. So yeah, so we have to do tomorrow probably the system which will save when the player makes some progress on the block. So if they go into this block thing sector, the progress will be saved and so on. This should be fairly easy by just putting some values in, and then if the player touches one of the how's it called? One of the barriers, invisible barriers I have, it will trigger the event. Yeah, that should work. Also, I'll have to redo the warheads, but actually not much of it, just how it counts, because right now it's pretty stupidly done. And last thing I will have to do is remaking the light containment zone decontamination thing actually kill you and work perfectly fine, which shouldn't be a problem in there. So in theory I should be able to yeah, I should be able to finish these scripts tomorrow in the tomorrow's live stream, probably at the same hour mostly, and I'll be able to release the update. Well, alright. Well, for now I'll have to go and end the stream. Thank you all for watching. See you tomorrow. Goodbye.